So this is a speaker upgrade for the Seat Ibiza 6L, obviously the one that I've got. These are the adapter plates to fit the new speakers on. This is only the front speakers obviously because, well, the back ones don't really make much difference anyway. But as standard, the front speakers are cardboard based, so obviously there's not a lot of bass in them. But yeah, these are the upgrade speakers that I've gone for. And then these plates make it adapt to this standard one. Right. So, there's the two speakers then. Comes with some wiring, which is nice. These are the mounting things, I'm guessing. I'll be installing these later on today. Hopefully it's quite straightforward. I'll figure out how this bracket stuff works. And I'll make a before video and after video. You might not be able to tell very much on camera the difference, but hopefully you will be able to. I'll definitely be able to tell in person anyway, but yeah. I won't be able to play it for long because obviously it's copyrighted, but this is the same song that I'm going to use for the other one. It's Night Lavelle Interlude, I think it was called. This is the stock speaker setup.
Life sucks when you talking about the game. Rolling with my niggas and we dreaming on the way, yeah.
So that's the door card off. There's literally 4 screws. These 2 are at the bottom down there, and these 2 are basically hidden behind those. Then it just pops off and pulls up. The stock speaker is here. It's not actually cardboard like I thought it was, but still. It's held in with rivets, so you're gonna have to drill it out basically. So the speaker only has a positive and a negative on it, the aftermarket one does, which is this wire here, these 2 wires. But the normal one had this plug on the end of it. Obviously, I had to look up a wiring diagram online and I figured this out, so I've done this myself. And basically for future reference, this plug has numbers on the bottom of it. From the left to the right it's 1 to 4. So 1 and 2 are hot, and 3 and 4, that's ground. And that's what I've done here. I plugged the speaker in and tested it. I'm not going to show you guys just yet because obviously I want to show you the finished product when it's all done. But it does work, so I'm going to use this on the other side as well. I'm actually going to start drilling on these rivets though to get this one out and install this one. Then I'll start on the other side afterwards. So yeah, let's get these 4 rivets out and get this old speaker up. Quick update, I've had to do some DIY. The speakers adapters that came don't just directly fit because this is in the way, so I've had to chop this out and cut this out and cut some little bits up here out. I've drilled the holes out a little bit more and got these screws through. I'm just going to tighten it all the way down because obviously it's sort of loose at the moment. After that's done, you can put the wires through this little hole that they've got down here. That's these wires that I've made. Connect it to the speaker, and then I should be able to finish this side up and start on the driver's side finally. It did come with some nice... Where's the other side of it? It did come with some nice sort of Pioneer guards even, but it's all going to be hidden anyway underneath the door card, so I figured there's no point putting this on because it might just have clearance issues. And the sound will probably be clearer without it getting muffled through a drill anyway. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and put the door card on back together and start on the driver's side now. But that looks mint. Night Lavelle Interlude. Both speakers are in, both of them working. I've not fully tested it yet, so here's the first fully test pretty much.
Life sucks when you talking about the way. Rolling with my niggas and we dreaming on the way, yeah.
It's got a lot more lower pitch. That's insane compared to stock.
Life sucks when you talking about the game. Rolling with my niggas and we dreaming on the way, yeah. Life sucks when you talking about the game. Rolling with my niggas and we dreaming on the way, yeah.
So, I'd say that was a success. They sound amazing. So yeah.
Life sucks when you talking about the game. Bullin' with my niggas and we dreaming on the way, yeah. Planning all the problems that we made.